Hey guys, welcome back to JKM Tech and Hustle. This is Vanessa. In this video, I'm sharing everything you need to know if you're taking the Aznar Shipping Ferry from Bogo, Cebu to Palompon, Leyte. Whether you're traveling with your vehicle or as a walk-in passenger, this guide will help you save time, avoid stress, and travel smarter. Let's dive in. Shown on the screen is this old schedule, and please take note of the open time and cut-off time for each trips. And then I went back there last week and they have this 4 trips already, and please take note of the time as well. And then the fare for non-aircon and aircon fare, and I recommend giving Aznar Shipping a quick call just to double check if the fare and the departure time is still the same, because sometimes they update it without any notice. So if you're bringing a car with you, you text this number and make a reservation. That way when you go there, you already have a spot for your car or vehicle. Buying tickets for a vehicle and passengers, your first stop is in Aznar Shipping Ticket booth at Bogo Port. What you need to do is buy a ticket for your vehicle, then buy a separate tickets for each passenger. Bring your ORCR and valid ID for vehicle transactions. The fare depends on vehicle size and the passenger type, whether it's a regular, student, or senior. Once you've secured your tickets, your next stop is the Coast Guard office, which is just a few steps away from the booth. So present your vehicle ticket, ORCR, and ID, and then they'll stamp the documents. This step is required and totally free. It usually takes a few minutes, but skipping can delay on your boarding. So you just have to go to this office and have it stamped, then you're good. Next is vehicle weighing. Depending on your car type, Aznar requirements, you may be asked to weigh your vehicle. This is a proper rate classification, and that weighing area is within the port. This shown in screen is where they do the weighing of your car. Note, not all vehicles are required to do this, but it's best to ask the ticket staff right away to avoid surprises. This would also determine how much you need to pay for your vehicle, depending on the weight. This process is only applicable in Bogo Port. In Palompon side port, they don't weigh the vehicles. That's what I noticed. Next is paying PPA, Arastre, and terminal fees. Before boarding, you need to pay this additional port fees: PPA fee, Arastre, and terminal fee. These are paid inside the terminal. Fees vary slightly depending on your vehicle, but generally it's around 120 to 200 total. Tip is, please bring small bills or coins for faster processing. Next is loading your car onto the ferry or board. Sorry, this loading part is from Palompon Port, not from Bogo Port. Please note on that. So, Aznar staff will guide you on how to properly drive and park your vehicle inside the ferry. Arrive at least 1 hour before departure to avoid missing your slot, especially during busy days. Here's what the loading process looks like so you know what to expect. Now let's head over to the other side, Palompon Port. The process here is almost the same. First, buy your tickets, then get your vehicle documents stamped at the Coast Guard and pay for the usual PPA Arastre and terminal fees. The only difference here is there's no vehicle weighing here, so that saves you a step. So let me show you where the Coast Guard office is. This is where the Coast Guard office. To pay the PPA and Arastre and terminal fees, you'll need to go to a different area that's around 500 meters away from the Aznar Shipping Terminal. You can either take a short walk or drive there, so just give yourself a few extra minutes and enough time to do this process. And you have to go to Port of Palompon to pay the PPA in this counter. This is quite a bit of a walk also, but it's closer. Final reminders, travel time is approximately 3.5 to 4 hours. Bring Bring food and drinks on board. Options are limited there. Bring a small pillow or jacket if you plan to nap. Always double check your documents before boarding. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to JKM Tech and Hustle, and share this with friends or family traveling soon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and safe travels from JKM Tech and Hustle. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.